on silver heels through puddled streets and salty fields. I saw her smile in the mirror lake, like the sky forgot it ever could burn.
Lake lay flat, but whispered glass. Pelicans watching every boat that passed. They know the story, they know the game. When fishermen dock, they're calling names.
They're not just birds, they're lunchroom spies.
I swear they place their orders with their eyes.
Boat slips in, the engine sighs, seagulls taking notes as they circle the skies. I saw one nod, then flap and dash. They're smarter than your average splash. Oh, sunny winter's daughter, you dance across the water. With nothing but the breeze in tow, you turn the flood to gold, you know. She dried the decks with a breath so light, painted the rooftops silver white. The wharf stood tall, the town stood still, like the clouds themselves had bent to will. Gabo shimmered on the edge of blue, with the freighter drifting slowly through. There's something quiet in the air, like even time forgot to care.
Just listen to it breathe.
Now every storm must leave its trace, but look what blooms in its embrace. I saw laughter in the mangrove shade, where the flood had danced and the sun had stayed.
Pelicans lining up like kings, watching for boats and fishy things. The old man tosses scraps their way, and they bow like it's gourmet.
You've never seen a queue with so much grace. Oh, sunny winter's daughter, your laughter after water. You're the hush between the waves, you're the light we try to save. She hums in gum and river bend, in every place the clouds descend. So take this hour and take it slow, there's nowhere else we need to go. Let the tide tell us what's next. I'm done with the maps, I'm following